Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the stream. Hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to start right at 6. I went out to dinner last night, and boy, I'm so tired today. It's crazy, but um, it was one of those late dinners. So we were literally we started dinner at 9 p.m. and then I was with 10 people. It was like a big dinner. Uh, it was kind of like for my birthday. My birthday was on Monday, so everyone wanted to get together today. It's hard when you're like adulting, I guess. It's kind of hard to get together for dinner with everyone and make sure everyone has like time to do that. So, uh, yeah, I'm exhausted today. But regardless, we're back here on the charts. I'm ready to go. I think I got home close to 1. So we were at dinner for like 3.5 hours because, yeah, the restaurant was like 10, 12 minutes from where I'm at. So yeah, we were at dinner just talking, catching up. You don't get to see your friends that often when you're always like I'm always working. I'm working 24/7. So it's hard to make time to get together with the people you care about. But regardless, I'm not telling you like, oh, go hang out with your friends every weekend, but I think it's good to get together sometimes with your friends and talk and chat and everything. So and catch up. It's always good to catch up. So that's uh that's where I stand on that. And sacrificing a little bit the next day to be tired from making good memories the night before is 100% worth it. And yeah, that's that. Anyways, guys, today we're going to be trading again. Yesterday, you guys know, was unfortunate for us. We actually lost pretty decently. I think I don't remember, but yeah, I lost like $300 yesterday on my account, so that was fun. And then here, I lost close to $1,000 on my TopSp account, which kind of sucks, but hey, it's the name of the game. But today we're back here. Honestly, today I don't have too high of expectations for what I think is like for the market. I don't think today's going to be like crazy on like price action or anything, because if you take a look here, tomorrow we have NFP coming out. So we have a lot of red folder news coming out tomorrow at 5:30. So today, my prediction is we're going to chop around a little bit, pretty good amount for most of the day, in kind of preparation to factor in the news event from tomorrow. Um, let's see if there's any like big news right now. So this is just unemployment insurance. This doesn't really affect the market. Um, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I have like a prediction today that it's going to be pretty chill today. It's not going to be like super easy to trade today because it's going to be just consolidating and chopping around. But regardless of market conditions, we always analyze the charts and try to find an entry. And if we do find an entry, then boom, we take it. But if we don't, then you know that's just the name of the game. Some days you won't trade at all. That's just the way. That's what I can say to you. Um, Hope you guys had a good day yesterday. Sorry, I'm like stumbling over my words here because I'm a bit tired. I mentioned that earlier too, so oof, some water in the system. One of the best things you can do for yourself is ice cold water in the morning. Even splashing it on your face a little bit helps a lot. Okay, we took this out. We still have. Oh wait, are these like equal? Dude, these are so close. Wow. Let's see what else we got here. These draws. Wow, these are still really close to each other. But we put in these high lows, and we missed sweeping these yesterday when we were like super bullish. Now we broke structure on the 4 hour to the downside. We retraced. So yeah, I'm kind of leaning more towards shorts. Plus, also, this is a very fluid price range to go through. Very fluid. All this is fluid. These are good draws. And even this is fluid, so I could see us just straight dumping because there was nothing going on here. So I'll even mark these lows here. And just because I know I'm a little bit boring today, let's put on some tunes. There we go. I think you guys can still hear me pretty good. So yeah, I think if I keep it at this level, music sounds good. So yeah, music back on, vibes flowing, can't complain. Okay, as far as draws on liquidity, I'm gonna just mark these out. I'll probably mark these out, even though I don't think we're gonna go higher today. On the 1 hour, what do we have? We have these hourly highs down here. We have these hourly highs. These hourly highs, I already marked those out. Oh, wow, these look good. These hourly lows down here. These hourly lows. So yeah, we have pretty good draws and liquidity to the downside today. They're just stacking up nicely. On the 1 hour, we're also bearish. So yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour is bearish. That's a great indicator that today is really good for shorts. Make sure the stream sounds good. Okay, yeah, just checked on my phone. The stream is looking good. Anyways, so we have the 1 hours all down here marked out properly. Yeah, all my draws are set here. I guess you could say this one too. See what ES is doing, because ES, interestingly enough, yesterday took out took out all-time highs, and we're still pretty up there, which is good. Good to see. This is good for my portfolio because I invest in the S&P consistently. But let's see the draws for today. I still think shorts for today. Because we gotta have some motion downwards after, we took that out. We gotta have some motion downwards after the whole, huge rally that we had. So we're kind of due for a retrace. I don't know how deep of a retrace it's gonna be, but I mean, we did break 4 hour structure here, so. Yeah, these are pretty deep lows, I guess. Let's see the 1 hour chart. Yeah, the only draw to the upside is the all-time highs again, so. I'm curious though, how long have some of you guys been trading for? Just, what is it that made you want to trade? That's a good question. Let's see here. I almost forgot, guys. There's one thing I have to do, and I do it every single morning. It's absolutely essential for me. If not, I feel like I failed as a trader. It's definitely the journal. I journal every single day, and I'll keep hammering it into your guys' head every single stream. It's probably the most crucial part that has gotten me to this level of success in trading. If it wasn't for this journal, I wouldn't be in the position I'm in today because of trading. I can just say that. Good morning, man. How you doing? You ready for another day? I was saying how earlier, I don't think price action is going to be that good today because we have the news coming out on Friday, so should be all right. I'm just doing the daily journal right now. Super important.
Sometimes I rhyme slower, sometimes I rhyme quick. I'm sweeter and thicker than a Chico stick. Here's an ice cream cone, honey, take a lick. Or go to Bay Plaza and catch a flick. Want my Timberland boots so I can stomp ticks. Scandalous, get a whiff for this miss. Just left the yard boy, now I'm blissed. I feel good, per se, good state of mind. Drive a red Sterling and the seats recline. I love it when a late tea treats me kind. Go to Tavern on the Green, I have a glass of wine. He say, she say, I heard it through the grapevine. No static, got an automatic. No static, got an automatic. No static, got an automatic. Too much of anything makes you an addict.
Said you're halfway illiterate. Really? Oh, that's crazy, bro. But
when I was on the road doing shows, getting ends, she was in my Benz getting snippy with her friends. And even when she crashed my whip, I didn't flip. My man Slick Nick said, "Smooth, you're starting to slip." Time went on, I started noticing weight loss. Then I had to ask her, was she riding a white horse? At first she said no. Then she said, "Yo, Smooth, I'm sorry, but I keep having visions of snow. I need blow." And I said, "Whoa, little hottie, I'm not DeLorean, Gambino, or Gotti. I don't deal coke, and furthermore, you're making me broke. I'll put you in a rehab, and I won't tell your folks." And what do you know? In 18 months, she came home, and I let her back in. And now she's sniffing again. Sometimes I rhyme slow, sometimes I rhyme quick.
this song's funny. Anyways, let's analyze the market now. Finish the journal. Let's see. The 4 hour on ES, we have broken structure to the downside. On the 1 hour, straight consolidation, but we did break structure. And just this is we're in this range here for sure. Let's see NQ. NQ is not really in a range, kind of trending down. NQ is definitely the more bearish index, and ES is the more bullish because we're above all-time highs here, below all-time highs here. So let's see the 30-minute chart. Is bearish. 15-minute is bearish. Yeah, bro, 100%. That's what I'm seeing right now. Short bias for sure. But you said you failed your state assessments in school. No way, bro. Hey, but I mean, clearly it doesn't matter. You're able to turn $100 into what, $2,000, something like that, trading. And I think you mentioned you were trading for like 4 months or something like that, from what I remember. 5 minute is bearish too. Yeah, I'm definitely leaning bearish today. But you never know, man. I was thinking longs yesterday, and you saw what happened with that. Wow, this is just... ES looks horrible. Really? Okay, yeah, bro, you should. I like prop firms. I think they're pretty good, especially 'cause if you don't want to be like risking too much capital, you know, of your own money. And I know you mentioned you bartend and have this whole thing going on, so it's you know, if you lose like $2,000 trading, it's like fuck, you know. But if you lose like $100 just from a prop firm account, you're chilling. A lot of people really like the Lucid accounts, so that's a good one. Yo, this ES price action here looks absolutely horrible, bro. No, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. I guess, yeah, because you only put in 100, yeah. That's a good way to look at it, though. Let's see, 15-minute here. It's bearish, but 30-minute is bearish too. Okay. Realistically, I like to see ES get out of this range, and then I feel like if we get out of that range, dude, we could dump like all the way here. I just want a 10K payout. 10K payout's nice. That's a really good goal. You can get that actually pretty easily by stacking funded accounts. Okay. Yeah, bro. I trade funded, like funded only. Yeah, I used to use alpha futures a lot, but since they had this whole situation happen, I stopped trading alpha. Now I'm back with Top Step and Tradeify, and I dabble with Lucid a little bit too. Right now I'm trying to stack accounts again. Before I started streaming, I actually blew all my accounts. It was really bad. But yeah, I did get some payouts, and I was making consistent income, but then I just blew all my accounts. Literally like a week or so before, like a couple weeks before I started this whole streaming thing. And oh, yeah, I mean, dude, I make a lot of money from trading, but not everything. Like, I do a lot of other things on the side. Like, I even, you know, social media stuff is still paying me. Like, I used to be much bigger on social media, and that was like my big thing. And I still get brand deals like that. And I do like online sales too with like my business partner. We have a business together, and I trade. So I trade in the mornings. I do social media stuff and work on our retail company. On our online store, and then I also help people with like organizing trips and stuff like that, like kind of like a concierge, because I built my name out here in Los Angeles pretty big, and people come to me to ask me for like the most random stuff, bro. Like I had a client literally call me the other day. He was like, "Hey, can you get a mariachi band for me tomorrow morning, for tomorrow like afternoon?" I was like, "Bro, what?" But I got it done, and he was happy. But yeah, that's how I make my money. A lot of it does come from trading, and that's how I'm able to, buy some of the more expensive stuff. But the only thing I don't like about trading is literally the tax things. I don't know where you're from, but here in the US, man, like the tax system is just so broken. Like to buy anything, you need to have like constant flow of income, like using credit and stuff. Like if you day trade, it's not considered constant income. It's just considered like capital gains. So you literally can't buy shit, even though let's say you make like 50K a month trading. They don't believe you that you can keep doing that, so they literally won't approve you for loans on different things like houses, cars, anything that's high ticket basically. So that's something I don't like about trading. So I structured my thing in a way where I'm able to have very consistent income with my other things that I do, and I have like 1099s that show up and everything that makes things a lot easier. But yeah, that's the main reason why I'm like that. But in the mornings, I'm used to waking up early every day. So I always wake up early anyways. So, oh yeah, Florida, yeah. But Florida's fire right now. Miami is like, everyone's there, man. Like a lot of my friends that used to live here, they moved over there. I wish I could live there, but I have some things that tie me down to Los Angeles, so I can't really make the move like that. But yeah, that's where it's at, man. Like everyone's there. Yeah, no, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I mean you can, bro. You can. No, don't go too crazy though, you know? If you trade on prop firms, it is, yeah. But if you're trading live, it's not. My goal is actually to be able to trade live, but I want to have like a lot more capital. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to make like 25, 30K in payouts, and then use the money I made from payouts and then just move it all to a live account. But I want to trade on a bigger account because I think it'd be more beneficial for me. Yeah, that's just my goal. So I'm kind of like saving the money I make from trading. I don't really put like, I mean I do a little bit, but like money from my other stuff, I invest a little bit into my trading stuff. But the profits from trading, I don't reinvest it into other businesses. What I do is I like to just save it in a different account and then just have the money there. So then later on I can just move to live. So that's my goal. And trust me, you'll go through some evals here and there. Like, it's not, prop firms are a whole different ball game. Yeah, bro, that's smart. Yeah, sometimes you'd be surprised, but sometimes in life the most powerful play is downsizing a little bit to make your life easier. I feel like that's underrated, especially in today's culture. In today's day and age, everyone's like, oh, we gotta like drive Lambos and like do all this crazy stuff. And then you feel pressure to do the same thing. But sometimes the most powerful thing is to downsize your life and make it more comfortable for you, so you can kind of take a step back and then take 3 steps forward after that. That's a big thing. But that's the way I see it, man. So taking a step back is good if you're going to propel yourself 3 steps forward with something. Another suggestion for you, since you're pretty new to the prop firms, I think really, really powerful tip is don't, like, I would set aside a budget that you're going to spend with prop firms only. So let's say that budget's $300 a month that you can allocate for just prop firm spending. You'll be pretty good. I just got back from Africa and it was a huge eye-opener for things like that make no sense for me to have. Exactly, bro. I agree. I mean, obviously this sounds super hypocritical because I know you saw my Instagram, but but I do agree with you. Like, I'll give you an example. Like yesterday, I was out at dinner with, all my friends, my family, and we all got together. It was my birthday on Monday, so we got together for that. And that was like the most special moment. Like, it didn't matter where we were having dinner or like what it was that we were doing. What mattered to me was the company and like the memories we created, the jokes, the laughs, all that stuff is what matters. So for me, one of the main things is having like good people around me, and my friends have been my friends for like so long, and that was just like a really special moment for me. Just like I was thinking about it literally last night before I went to bed. I was like, man, that was a really good time. I enjoyed with the people I care about and the people I love around me, and that was like the biggest thing. It meant more to me than anything else I could have materially, but yeah. All right, well, we have about 3 minutes until market open. Ideally, I am favoring shorts today. I'd like to see price break out of this range on ES and then maybe retrace back in this range, and then I want to see NASDAQ have some kind of a manipulation to the upside, and then kind of see some confluences that's going to show me that it's going to go down, because I don't want to take a trade if it's just going to go straight down either. So that's where we stand on the charts. We have a couple minutes. I 100% agree, man. That's a great. Yeah, exactly. We do need to push back up. But going back to your previous thing, I 100% agree with you, man. Like, having a family is the best thing. It's the most rewarding thing. And especially the girl you're with, like, you're saying you want to marry her, so like, she's supportive of you and your goals, and she's trying to help you, pushing you to achieve those things in your life, and that's the most powerful relationship you can have, for sure. I think one of the biggest flexes is being able to retire your wife, basically, so that she doesn't have to go to work anymore. I think that's a huge flex. Got a kick notification. Here, let me fix this. It's better. All right. Exactly. Because there's no better person to raise your kids except the mother. Market open? Market opens in 12 seconds. All right. But yeah, bro, good talk. Yeah, you're on the right path, man. That's all I can say. Anyways, let's see what market wants to do today. Let's try and make some money today. Okay, so we're getting that push up. Let's see what 5-minute candle wants to do. Ideally, for me to look for shorts here, I would want to see maybe these highs get like swept out. That'd be nice. 29,600. True. Oh. 29,460. Yeah, that's what this level that I have marked out. Because actually though, the thing I noticed right now is if we get above here, which is 29,367, if we like close above it, then we technically broke 5-minute structure to the upside. So that's something to keep a lookout on. No, you're good, bro. I changed the music. That wasn't even part of my playlist, by the way. I just realized it was like on the auto like shuffle thing, where it picks random songs for you. It's weird. Okay, not exactly what I wanted to see here, but. I always do that shit. I'm like putting the water away, and then I realize I want more, so I'm like, Wow. At least ES is getting out of that range. We just took out these London lows, I think. Yeah, these were London lows. Oh no, they weren't. These were London lows. These were, I think, previous day lows. Yeah, bro, we really need a retrace. If there's no retrace, there's no trade, man. I don't know if you saw, like, market a few days, like, maybe I think it was last week, it was just straight up the whole time. It's crazy, for like 2 days in a row. Yeah, exactly. I don't know, bro. It could be, but I just can't. I don't know. I feel like I can't take longs yet. Like, definitely for me to take longs, I'll tell you what needs to happen, bro. For me to take longs on this right now, I'd have to see a 5 minute break up, uh, retrace. Like, I need a full clean 5 minute break structure. Like, I'm talking like a break all the way up here. Okay. But okay. Oh, and I need both indexes to break up too. So ES technically needs to get here. Okay. Okay. These there's these draws up here on NASDAQ. It's like relative equal highs. This way up here though. Okay, see, this is a strong break. If we maintain this like pressure, yeah, look at that. If we maintain this pressure, okay. Okay, wow. We're getting above that. So let's see. Two minutes on this candle. Forgot I need to post that I'm like live on Alright. We got 40 seconds on that candle close. Sorry guys, I'm trying to post a story on TikTok. Cool. Alright. So we did get that break on NQ. Let's see, ES. We definitely did not get a break. So that's already like not it for me. I do like to see the indexes correlating together. So it's a waiting game, guys. We gotta keep waiting to see what happens here, because now the issue we face now is that they're not even correlating, like they're not moving the same way. So it's a waiting game. And ES technically has not made it out of this range either. So I mean, I told you guys that earlier on today. I told you guys that we'd have a pretty choppy day. So it's all about this situation here tomorrow. See if there's any news. Okay. See what the 1 minute looks like. I'm curious. Wow. Respected this 1 minute gap. Oh. What are you thinking, bro? What do you think's gonna happen here? Because I'm just waiting. I need to see if I'm gonna take longs. I need to see a 5 minute breakup on ES, and if I'm gonna take shorts, I need to see a 5 minute breakdown on Nasdaq. So even though I am favoring shorts, but never marry your bias, because the bias can change all the time. You went long on the 1 minute down. Oh, down here? This little move down and then you just longed it? Okay. Notice how we can't get past this small 1 minute gap. As we straight inverse the shit right now. Okay. If it puts in that wig, that's insane. No, okay, has to. Alright. Now, you see price break above here. We got to those highs that I wanted to see swept, so let's kind of see what happens off of this, off the closure of this candle. "30 seconds, man. We need that break up." Wow, holy rejection. That is crazy. See that 1 minute? Damn. Damn. Wow, okay. Now I just, okay. once ES breaks 5-minute structure to the upside, I'm literally just going to see a retrace. Then I can take longs. 1 minute break down on the 1 minute, and then a 1 minute break up, and we're in longs. That's it. So we gotta see if it plays out for us. Yeah, probably. I'm still feeling shorts too, especially because look how many times we've tried to break 5-minute structure to the upside. About hit my price for a short. Oh shit. Okay. We might even take out these London highs right now, bro. Forgot to chart this on my top step dashboard. You guys see my loss right there, it's fat. Dude, no retrace? Dude, I don't know, I have these random ass songs sometimes in my playlist. I don't even know how I found these songs. Alright, ideally, bro, I need a retrace, bro. I need to see a retrace before we take out all these draws. I honestly don't think we're gonna hit these today. I know you were asking me about these earlier. I don't think we're gonna hit these today, but because that's like huge, man. That's way too much. No retrace at all. Crazy. I think we're about to take out London highs. Yo, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, bro. You're doing well. London highs taken out. Okay. Let's see, bro. What's going on here? So we took out London highs. Instantly kind of reversing off of that. At least it looks like. Maybe not. Let's see the 1 minute. Wow. The 1 minute break structure is all the way down here. You know that short's coming? Yeah, bro. It probably is. Especially because we just took out London highs on NASDAQ. And we're missing. We're not touching it here on ES, so we'll see. But I mean, for me to take a short, man, I have to see a 5 minute breakdown. Like it's a. Yo, look at this chart, bro. Whatever. And we're still in this range still. Oh man. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm a bit like tired today. I went to bed like super late because like I mentioned earlier, I was at dinner, but I'm a bit tired, I'm a bit pooped, but still got a whole day to get through, man. So let's see what we get here. It is what it is, man. It's the way it is. It's the grind. It's the grind. The daily grind. Alright. Okay, let's see if we can get some motion. Ah, I just realized. I need to see this down here. Okay. Low key, if we get a breakdown here and confirmation that we want to go higher, or you can long here to here. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now. Oh, we didn't even put in a blue candle, but let's see. We need the retrace. Regardless, to see what's going to happen with the market today, we need to see a retrace of some sorts. Like, and I mean, ideally, it's a significant retrace, not like some tiny ass thing. This might also be the reversal point too, so that's the other thing to look out for. Okay. Alright. It looks like we're starting to get some motion here. Okay. Let's see ES. Honestly, I might want to even take a short on ES because on ES, you notice we perfectly have that happened, and then here on NASDAQ, right? So we have this setup going on too. So I might want to short on ES. We just, or I mean, yeah, sorry. No, I'm so, yeah. If we chop to 10 a.m., I'm gonna go short. Yeah. It's a good idea, honestly. Let me see. Yeah, as of right now, bro, we did get a breakdown on ES and NASDAQ. The breaks down here. We're not getting a break. So it's kind of undecided right now, bro, because we are 5-minute bullish. For me, it's difficult to go short when it's still bullish on the 5. And for me to change bias to shorts, I'd have to literally see NASDAQ inverse this and then, or ES to go below this. So that's why I can't, like, I'm just following my rules here. But NASDAQ shorts, okay. So give me that breakdown, bro. I forgot, do we have anything coming out today? Press to refresh that. No, nothing. Yeah. Yeah, they did. Yeah, exactly. Oh, wait. Oh no, we're still chilling here. Let's see this. Wow. It's kind of frustrating because I need that I need that breakdown and that breakup to confirm. Okay, hopefully this is the motion that I needed to see. Okay, that's just interesting, I guess. Alright, here comes 7 a.m. 20 seconds on this, so let's see what happens on the 7 a.m. candle. Okay. Yeah, I can't. I seriously can't take a trade, either long or short right now. As much as I want a long right now, I can't. Just can't do it. I mean, bro, if you look at it, like we're kind of setting up nicely for longs here because we have, if we go past this, we have a 5-minute breakdown, and we also have a 5-minute breakdown here. So I can literally move this here. That's a 5-minute breakdown. That's a 5-minute breakdown here, and now you're looking at pretty much shorts. So. Dude, I've had these headphones for years, man. They're still so comfortable. Yeah, bro. And I think people are kind of chilling because the news coming out tomorrow, the NFP candle. So I agree with you. Okay. So ES, you can see it broke structure to the downside here, and it broke structure to the upside right over here again. So this actually would have been my entry, but the reason I didn't take the trade is because NASDAQ is just not aligning with that bias right now. And see, that's how I avoid bad trades. Okay, so looks like we're gonna get a breakdown on the 1 minute. Perfect. If we're gonna go long, all I need to see is just a break above here. You're long, I'm long, okay. I gotta wait though. I got 27 seconds to see what's going on here. If we end up, closing below here, then the whole trade is just, the whole idea is cooked. But we're at 16 seconds on this close. See what ES is doing. I think, personally, I kind of want to long ES because actually, I kind of like the draws more on NQ, so I think I most likely will go long on NQ. So, gonna have one TP here and then TP here, TP here. Hope the entry shows up. So the break structure has moved here. This is the exact trade I'm looking at. Entry, bro, would be around 29,533, but I need to see a confirmation of a break like that. You see this break coming in? I need to wait for that candle to close, so I'm about to go long now. Okay, I'm in longs. Alright, let's see what happens here, man. Testing our luck today again, basically. Got 3 TPs. I'm in for 6 cons on this one. Let's do a sell limit. I need to do 1 sell limit here. Loki gonna put it here. Let me see, where's my draws, bro? It's okay. Yeah, here, bro. Here's a better sell limit for me. Yeah, like there. You can add another sell limit here. And then add a final sell limit over down here. Yeah. I kind of have to manage this thing a little bit differently because like I've really just, it's kind of tricky for me, this account. I'm not a fan of these 25Ks, just heads up. I have to be super careful with like my entries and everything. Alright, bro, let's smack TP1 and then I'm gonna protect my account with break even. Let's see. Bro. Okay, so we hit TP1, TP1 smacked, beautiful, order filled there. So now let me just make my sell stop here, 2 cons, put it at break even, right over there. Let's adjust stop loss here as well because, bro, I gotta protect myself here. Let's see if we can hit TP2 on this trade. I think we most likely will be able to. TP3 is a fucking stretch, but we'll see what happens. See, bro, that's the thing with trading, man. Like, literally, we came into the market today thinking longs, thinking shorts was the move because it really did look like the move. But the market played out differently, and now we're just in longs, bro. Like, it's kind of crazy. This is a sniper entry, low-key. What do you think of that trade, bro? Trading's its own beast, dog. It tests you, it tests your knowledge, it tests what you think, bro. It's so fucked, but Alright, bro. Let's smack this TP. 2 contracts? Yeah. I was pretty sure of this one, so I went in for 3 cons on this trade on my 25k, and then I went in 6 cons on this one. We're about to hit TP2, bro. Literally. TP2 smacked. Beautiful, beautiful. Adjust my sell stop here to 1 con. I mean, I'm beyond happy with that. That's good for me. Let's see if we can, let's see what ES is doing. ES just took out those London highs. Yeah, ES just took out those London highs, so that we might reverse off of that. But I am, bro, I don't know. I don't think that's a good idea, honestly. Let's wait and see. Let's wait like a minute or two. TP3 is kind of pretty fucking up there, but let's see, bro. I don't think so. I mean, I might just close out just to secure my profits and make back everything I lost yesterday, but let's give it a minute. Let's let it breathe. I mean, stops are break even, so technically we're in risk free, bro. And on this, I want to sell another. I'm going to sell 1 con just so I'm literally in for 1 con on this trade. Secured some more profit. And now we're just in for 1 con, and now it's not that bad. So let's wait and see if this is pretty high up there. Honestly, bro, let's move. I'm going to move TP3 down here. I feel more confident with that setup. Moving it down to like 2649 area. Like, yeah. I feel better with like a trade like this, TP there. Yeah. I feel better with this. I don't know if we're going to get all the way up there. And then with this, let's see. What did I? Oh, do I have it there already? I'm so tired. Shit. Yeah, TP3 is here. Right around 29,648, right? Yeah, I like having extendo take profits because it kind of makes it more fun, and like especially when I'm already in the trade risk free, it's like, bro, you know, we're chilling. And we already secured 487 on this account, and then this account I'm floating, you know. Exactly, bro. Exactly. I honestly think this TP3 looks good. Let's see what ES is doing off of these. Yeah, bro. ES is, it looks like it wants to go higher. There's no indication that it wants to go lower, unless we break here. But I still think we can go higher on NQ, low key. So I'm just gonna kind of let this trade play out. If we get stopped out, break even, we get stopped out, bro. It's no big deal. Whatever. Another thing I like to do is put my TP like a little bit below the actual level, just so it fills, because sometimes, bro, you get edged out, and I hate that. So this is my little my strategy kind of thing. See how we're cooking over here, how we're looking here. We're looking good. We should be good, bro, to hit this level, I think. This trade looks good, bro. I don't know. Are you still in this trade, or did you get out? Yo, all I have to say, this trade is an absolute banger. We didn't even experience drawdown. Like, yeah. Oh! Yo! Full TP! Smack! Beautiful, beautiful. That's what I like to see, baby. 669 today on this account, and on this other account 421. That's how we come back. Alright, yo. Bro, I'm telling you, we're cooking. Bro, low-key, you scared me, bro, when you were like, oh, I'm gonna go long if you're long. I'm like, shit, bro, what if I'm wrong? Bro, that is perfect. Look, now it's literally dumping off of that. Bro, yeah. Appreciate it, man. No, that was good, bro. Bro, literally, right as I played the Drake, it just, boom, shot up there. That's insane, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. 0 drawdown on that, by the way. Bro, that's what's up, man. It's good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Wow, bro, look at that. Literally straight, like it's coming down. I don't think it's gonna go higher. Bro, same time always, bro. I'm here. I'm here every day, Monday through Friday, bro. I'll be here. See if we can smack some more trades. But I wish you showed up like earlier in the, when I first started, because bro, I literally pasta funded on stream, and then I won every single day. You literally joined yesterday, and that was my first loss, like live trading. I was on like a 2.5 week win streak, and that was like what broke it. So, I mean, bro, it's the name of the game. But yeah, this was amazing. This is a solid trade. But hey, I'm glad you showed up today, man. You showed up. You still believed in me, I guess, a little bit. So yeah, you can drop a follow, and then you'll actually always get notifications whenever I'm live, because I also want to do like gaming stuff in the future. I'm like moving right now, so like I'm trying to get that set up, and then have my office set up at home so I can game too. So yeah, if you want to tune in, bro, thank you for tuning in as always. We had a great time. I'm actually gonna hop off stream now because we're done. We smacked the trade, triple TPs. Like, bro, it's a beautiful day, man. It's time to go enjoy the rest of the day. And yeah, bro. Bro, I'm pumped. Good day. Alright, bro. We'll see you around. Take care. Hope you guys, hope everyone else who didn't chat enjoyed. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next stream. Peace out.